Hey guys, Mr. T here. This is a video on trigonometry and labeling right-angled triangles. So, trigonometry, or trigonometry, or whatever you want to say, is the study of the relationship between lengths of sides and the size of angles in geometric shapes. So, it involves lengths and sizes, whereas previously you've probably just done Pythagoras, so this is all about lengths. However, this topic in years 9 and 10 are going to focus on using trigonometry only in right-angled triangles. So, shift over. So, before performing any right-angled triangle trigonometry, you need to label the sides and an angle of interest in those triangles. So, to show you how that's done, here's a right-angled triangle. So, theta, which is this symbol here, is like a tall circle with a line going through it across. That theta is the angle of interest in your triangle. It's represented by the symbol theta. I think it's ancient Greek or something. You need to decide this angle first, as some sides are labelled in relation to where this angle is. Okay, so there always has to be an angle of interest in your right-angled triangle. Second, hypotenuse, HYP. The longest side of a right-angled triangle is always the hypotenuse. It's always opposite or across from the right angle of the triangle. So what you'll notice here is the right angle's here. So the side opposite to it is the hypotenuse. So label that as HYP. Next side opposite, or OPP, the side opposite to the angle of interest, theta. So theta is here. The side opposite to it, or across from, is over there. So that would be labelled OPP for opposite. Adjacent, the remaining side of the triangle, and the side next to the angle of interest. So a hypotenuse and the remaining side are both next to the angle, but the hypotenuse is already decided. So this must be ADJ, adjacent. Adjacent in the word itself means next to or beside, okay? So some of the exercises that you'll be doing are just quickly labeling some triangles. So they're pretty simple. So here's an example of that. For the triangle below, label the hypotenuse, the side opposite to theta, the side adjacent to theta. Well, this is the right angle, so the side opposite to it is the hypotenuse. The side opposite to theta, well, theta's been given here, so the side opposite to that is across here, so AB is opposite. The side adjacent to theta, well, the hypotenuse has been labelled, so the only remaining side here must be adjacent. Okay, so that is a quick example of labelling right-angled triangles with trigonometry. We'll get into a bit more maths next time, and I'll see you in the next video.